Good morning students. Today we are going to learn our new lesson, that is divisibility test. What is divisibility test? Divisibility test क्या है? कोई भी नंबर किसी नंबर से डिवाइड होता है कि नहीं, ये विदाउट डिवीजन हम पता कर सकते हैं, उसी को ही बोलते हैं डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट ऑफ दैट नंबर. फर्स्ट, डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 2. डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 2 मीन्स कोई भी गिवन नंबर अगर वो 2 से डिवाइड है मीन्स दिस इज डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 2. द नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. दिस इज द डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट ऑफ 2. For example, I take a number 14. This number is divisible by 2 or not. We have to divide this number by 2. 2 sevens are 14. If remainder comes 0, then 14 is divisible by 2. If we divide 14 by 2, we get remainder 0. That means 14 is divisible by 2. But this process takes long time. This process is very long. To make this process very short, there is some divisibility of 2. If the number having 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, any of its digit from its unit place out of this number, then the number is divisible by 2. Means अगर कोई भी नंबर जिसके यूनिट प्लेस पे 0, 2, 4, 6 या 8 इनमें से कोई भी नंबर उसके यूनिट प्लेस पे है, that means this number is divisible by 2. So this is the divisibility of 2. If any number having the digit 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its unit place, that means this number is divisible by 2. For example, we take a number 178. The number having 8 in its unit place, that means we directly tell that this number is divisible by 2 without doing a division. हम डिवीजन किए बिना ही बता सकते हैं कि ये नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल है, because 8 in its unit place. Again we take another number, that is 13482. This is more digit number. This take more time to divide it, but by seeing its unit digit we can directly tell that this number is divisible by 2 or not. The unit place having number 2 and 2 divisibility of 2, there is number 2. If number 2 in its unit place, then the number is divisible by 2. That means the number 134, we directly tell that the number 13482 is divisible by 2. So the number having 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 in its unit place, this number is divisible by 2. इससे हम बड़े नंबर को भी बता सकते हैं without division that the number is divisible by 2 or not. Now divisibility of 3. Now we see divisibility of 3. जैसे हमने अभी देखा कि गिवन नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 2 है कि नहीं, हम डायरेक्टली यूनिट प्लेस देख के बता सकते हैं कि उसके यूनिट प्लेस पे 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 अगर नंबर हो तो नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 2 है या नहीं. वैसे ही देयर इज अ डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 3. इफ वी ऐड द डिजिट इन द नंबर, इफ नंबर के हम अगर डिजिट ऐड कर देंगे, देन इफ द सम कम्स इज डिविजिबल बाय 3, दैट मीन्स द नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 3. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी टेक अ नंबर 381219. Without division we have to check this number is divisible by 3 or not. तो ये हम कैसे पता करेंगे? Without division हम कैसे पता करेंगे? We add the digit of this number, that is 3 plus 8 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9. We have to add this number. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 1 12. 12 plus 2 14. 14 plus 1 15. 15 plus 9 24. The number, the addition of this digit is 24. Now 24 comes in 3's table or not? Yes. 24 is divisible by 3. That means the whole number is divisible by 3. What is the divisibility test of 3? We add all the digit in the numbers and the addition comes is divisible by 3. That means the whole digit is divisible by 3. Here we add all the numbers. The addition come 24. 24 is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24. remainder gets 0, means the addition is, if the addition is divisible by 0, divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. This is the divisibility of 3. Now we see the divisibility of 4. जैसे 2 में हमने देखा था कि लास्ट डिजिट अगर 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 है तो नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. लाइक दिस इन 4 divisibility of 4 we see the last 2 digit. For example, we take an example 367 5900. If the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, that means the whole number is divisible by 4. This is the divisibility of 4. If the last 2 digit is divisible by 4, that means the whole number is divisible by 4. Last number is 00 and 00 is divisible by 4, that means the number 3675900 is divisible by 4. यहाँ पे last 2 digit 00 है और 00 4 से divide होते हैं, that means the whole digit is divisible by 4. Again we take another example, that is number 7932. विदाउट डिवीजन हम पता कर सकते हैं, पूरे नंबर को डिवाइड किए बगैर हम ये पता कर सकते हैं कि ये नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 4 है कि नहीं. हम लास्ट 2 डिजिट देखेंगे. लास्ट 2 डिजिट इज 32. 32 इज डिविजिबल बाय 4 और नॉट? 32 इज डिविजिबल बाय 4. 4 8s are 32, means 32 is divisible by 4. That means the whole digit is divisible by 4. We directly tell that if the last 2 digit is divisible by 4, 4 8s are 32. That means the whole digit is divisible by 4. This is the divisibility of 4. Now we check divisibility of 5. Divisibility of 5. If the last digit of a number is 0 or 5, if the last digit is 0 or 5, then the whole number is divisible by 5. This is the divisibility of 5. Means last digit of a number, any number, if the last digit possesses 0 or 5, any number from this, then the whole number is divisible by 5. For example, we take a number 7680. We check whether this is divisible by 5 or not without dividing it. The last digit of the number is 0. That means the whole 7680 number is divisible by 5. Again we take another example, that is 7585. Without dividing it, we can find out this is divisible by 5 or not. What is the divisibility of 5? That the last digit is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Here the last digit is 5. That means the whole number is divisible by 5. Let's check this divisibility by dividing it by 5. 7585, we divide it by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 ones are 5. 5 7s are 35. Remainder comes 0. That means the number is divisible by 5. So without dividing it, we can tell that the number is divisible by 5 or not by seeing its unit digit. If the unit digit is 0 or 5, then the whole number is divisible by 5. Now divisibility of 6. Now we see the divisibility of 6. Divisibility of 6. If the number is divisible by 2, if number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6. Means the given number, if the given number is divisible by 2, we see earlier that what is the divisibility of 2 and what is the divisibility of 3. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the whole number is divisible by 6. We take one example, that is 13482. We check this number for divisibility of 2. Divisibility of 2 is, we check unit digit. Unit digit is 2. Unit digit of this number is 2. unit digit is 2, means that therefore number is divisible by 2. What is the divisibility of 2? If the unit digit is 0 or 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is divisible by 2. Here the unit digit is 2, that means the whole number is divisible by 2. Now what is the divisibility of 3? We add the number, we add the digit in the number, that is 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 2. We add this number, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 2 18. 18, the addition comes 18. 18 is divisible by 3. 3 in 3's table, 3 6 are 18, means 18 is divisible by 3, that means the whole number is divisible by 3. 18 is divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18. That means the number is divisible by 2 because unit digit is 2 and the number is divisible by 3 because the addition come 18, that is divisible by 3. That means the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. If the number, अगर number दोनों से divisible है, 2 और 3 दोनों से divisible है, that means the number is divisible by 6. अगर number दोनों में से किसी एक से भी divisible नहीं है, suppose the number is divisible by 2 but not by 3, अगर वो 3 से divisible नहीं है, that means it is not divisible by 6. Same, if the number is not divisible by 2 but divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 6. 6 की divisibility है कि दोनों number दोनों से divisible होना चाहिए, 2 और 2 और 3. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6. अगर दोनों में से किसी एक से divisible है, that means it is not divisible by 6. This is the divisibility of 6. Now we see the divisibility of 8. Divisibility of 8, like 2 and 4, we see last digit in divisibility of 2, last 2 digit in divisibility of 4, like that in divisibility of 8 we see last 3 digit. If last 3 digit are divisible by 8, that means the whole number is divisible by 8. We take one example, that is 3649576. We take a number 3649576. We check this number is divisible by 8 or not. We check, we see last 3 digit, we divide it by 8. 576, last 3 digit are 576, we divide it by 8. 8 7s are 56, 8 2s are 60. Remainder comes 0. That means 576 is divisible by 8. That means last 3 digits are divisible by 8. So whole number is divisible by 8. This is the divisibility of 8. We check here, if last 3 digits are divisible by 8, that means the whole digit are divisible by 8. In 2's, if we see last digit in divisibility of 4, we check last 2 digit, like that in divisibility of 8 we check last 3 digit. If the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, means we divide last 3 digit by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. मतलब हमको पता करने के लिए कि ये नंबर पूरा divisible by 8 है कि नहीं, फुल नंबर को डिवाइड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हम डायरेक्टली लास्ट 3 डिजिट देखेंगे and we divide it by 8. If the answer remainder comes 0, then the number is divisible by 8. अगर रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं है, that means the number is not divisible by 8. This is the divisibility of 8. Now divisibility of 9. Divisibility of 3 and 9 is same. In divisibility of a 3, what we do? We do sum of a digit, and the sum of a digits is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. Like that, here also we do the sum of a digit, and then sum comes, if this sum is divisible by 9, that means the whole number is divisible by 9. For example, we take number 14972 634. without dividing it we have to check this number is divisible by 9 or not. This number is very big number, we have to, without dividing it we have to check this number is divisible by 9 or not. So we add digit of this number. 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 9 14, 14 plus 7 21, 21 plus 2 23, 23 plus 6 29, 29 plus 3 32, 32 plus 4 36. The answer comes 36. Sum comes 36. If the 36 sum comes is divisible by 9, that means the whole number is divisible by 9. Now in 9's table 36 come. 9 4s are 36. So 36 is divisible by 9. That means the sum of the digits is 36, that is divisible by 9. So without dividing it, we directly tell that the whole number is divisible by 9. So what is the divisibility of 9? We add all the digits of the numbers. Then the sum comes, if the sum is divisible by 9, that means whole digit is divisible by 9. This is the divisibility of 9. Now we move toward divisibility of 11. Divisibility of 11 is little different. Suppose we take example 7 9 1 7 6 2 4. We take the number 7 9 1 7 6 2 4. This number is divisible by 11, and we have to check without dividing this number is divisible by 11 or not. We first numbering this digit, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. From back side we start numbering this number हमने नंबर दिया है उसको 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now odd numbers are 1 3 5 and 7. odd number digit कौन सा है? 1 place पे कौन है? 4. in 1's place there is 4. now second odd number is 6. then in 5 place there is again 1, and in 7 place there is again 7. So we add odd number digit and even number digit. Even number means in second place 2 is there, then in 4th place 7 is there, and in 6th place 9 is there. Means we add odd place digit and even place digit. Odd number are 1 3 5 7 9. These are odd number, and even number are 2 4 6 8. 2's table is even number, you know about it. So we first we start numbering the numbers. Then odd place is 1 3 5 and 7. in 1's place 4 is there, in 3rd place 6 is there, in 5th place 1 is there, and in 7th place 7 is there. We add this number. 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 7 18. ऑड नंबर प्लेस के डिजिट की हमने सम की तो आंसर आया 18. नाउ इवन नंबर मीन्स 2 4 और 6. सेकेंड प्लेस पे 2, 4th प्लेस 7 नंबर इज देयर, एंड 6th प्लेस पे 9. नाउ वी ऐड दिस नंबर 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 9 18. Now the sum comes, odd number place की sum and even number की sum. We subtract this. If the answer comes 0, that means the whole number is divisible by 11. If the answer comes 0, 11 or 11's table, 11, 22, 33, 44. If the answer comes 0 or 11's table, then the whole number is divisible by 11. What is the divisibility of? Divisibility of 11 is little different. We have to numbering first the whole number, we have to numbering the digit. Then odd number digit we have to add it. And even numbers digit again we have to add it. The addition come, we subtract this addition. If the answer comes 0 or 11's table, that is 11, 22, 33, 44, then the number is divisible by 11. Otherwise the number is divisible by 11, is not divisible by 11. Means अगर एडिशन इन दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के बाद अगर आंसर 0 और 11 का टेबल आता है तो ही नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 11 है, अदरवाइज इट इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 11. What is the divisibility of 11? We in a given number we start numbering the digit, then we add odd number places digit and even number places digit. We subtract the addition and the answer comes 0 or 11 stable, that means the whole number is divisible by 11, otherwise not. This is the divisibility of 11. Now divisibility of 12. Now we see divisibility of 12. What is divisibility of 12? We know 3 4s are 12. Yes, we know 3 4s are 12. Means if the number is divisible by 3 and 4 both, then the number is divisible by 12. Otherwise not. What is the divisibility of 12? If the number is divisible by 3 and 4 both, अगर दोनों से divisible है, that means it is divisible by 12. अगर दोनों में से एक से भी divisible नहीं है, so it is not divisible by 12. And we see earlier that what is divisibility of 3 and 4. We take one example, that is number 319248. Without dividing it, we have to check that this number is divisible by 12 or not. हमको without division, 12 से without division, we have to check whether this number is divisible by 12 or not. So first we check for divisibility of 3 and then we check for divisibility of 4. अगर वो 3 और 4 दोनों से divisible है, that means वो 12 से divisible है. What is the divisibility of 3? We add the digit in the number. What is divisibility of 3? Add the digit in the number. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 8 27. Now 27 comes in 3's table. 27 is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. That means the whole number is divisible by 3. Therefore 27 is divisible by. This is the divisibility of 3. We add all the digits and the answer come. If this answer is divisible by 3, that means the whole number is divisible by 3. Divisibility of 3 check हो गई है हमारी. अब हम divisibility of 4 check करेंगे. What is the divisibility of 4? We check last 2 digit. If the last 2 digit is divisible by 4, that means the whole number is divisible by 4. Now 48 is last 2 digit is 48. What is last 2 digit? Is 48. Now we have to check this 48 is divisible by 4 or not. We divide 48 by 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Remainder 0. That means 48 is divisible by 4 because our remainder is 0. 48 is divisible by 4. That means the whole number is divisible by 4. We write here 48 is divisible by 4. Now the number is divisible by both 3 and 4 both. That means that therefore the number is divisible by 12. Number is divisible by like 6. 6 के लिए हमने किसकी डिविजिबिलिटी देखी थी? 2 3s are 6 होता है. 2 3s are 6. इसलिए हमने 2 6 के लिए किसकी डिविजिबिलिटी चेक की थी? 2 and 3 की. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. Like this. 12 के लिए किसकी डिविजिबिलिटी चेक करेंगे? 3 and 4 because 3 4s are 12. If the number is divisible by 3 and 4 both, अगर दोनों से divisible है, that means the number is divisible by 12. अगर दोनों में से किसी एक से भी divisible नहीं है, so the number is not divisible by 12. This is the divisibility of 12. Now we check the divisibility of 15. Divisibility of 15. We know that 3 5s are 15. So if the number is divisible by 3 and 5 both, then the number is divisible by 15. Like 12, 3 4s are 12, so we check 3 and 4's divisibility. Here we check 3 and 5's divisibility. If the number is divisible by both 3 and 5, that means the number is divisible by 15. We take one example, that is 317,925. We take the example 317,925. We have to check without dividing this number is divisible by 15 or not. 15 से divide किए बगैर ही हमको बताना है कि this number is divisible by 15 or not. So first we check divisibility of 3. And what is the divisibility of 3? हमने बहुत बार कर चुके हैं divisibility of 3, that is addition of digit. We add the digit. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 9 20, 20 plus 2 22, 22 plus 5 27, and 27 is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27, that means 27 is divisible by 3. 27 is divisible by 3. That means the whole number is divisible by 3. Now we check the divisibility of 3. Again, divisibility of 5. What is the divisibility of 5? We see that if the last digit is 0 or 5, if the unit digit is 0 or 5, इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक नंबर रहा 0 और 5, that means the whole number is divisible by 5. Here the last digit is 5. Last digit is 5. Therefore, number is divisible by 5. Now the number is divisible by both 3 and 5. We add the digit in the number. We get the addition is divisible by 3. That means the number is divisible by 3. And last digit is 5. And therefore it is divisible by 5, because divisibility of 5 is if the last number is 0 or 5. That means the number is divisible by 5. So number is divisible by both 3 and 5. That means the number is divisible by 15. This is the divisibility of 15. If the number is divisible by 3 and 5 both, then the number is divisible by 15. इन दोनों में से किसी एक से भी divisible नहीं है, that means the whole number is not divisible by 15. This is the divisibility of 15. Now our last divisibility, that is divisibility of 25. Again, divisibility of 25 is very easy. What is divisibility of 25? If the last digit are 0 0, 25, 50 और 75. कोई भी नंबर के लास्ट डिजिट अगर 0 0, 25 और 50 और 75, इन चारों में से कोई रहे, that means the number is divisible by 25, otherwise not. If any number having unit digit 0, 25, 50 or 75, then the number is divisible by 25, otherwise not. We take one example, 173,625. Last digit of this number is 25. So the number is last two digit are 25. Therefore number is divisible by 25. Now we take another example, that is 173,645. Last digit is 45. Other than this, last digit is 45 other than 0, 25, 50, 75. So this number is not divisible by 25. This is the divisibility test for 25. If the last digit is 0, 25, 50, 75, then the number is divisible by 25, otherwise not. So what we learn today? We learn the divisibility test of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 15 and 25. I hope you understand this topic. Thank you.